Remember being forced to eat Brussels sprouts or broccoli as a kid? Well, some people never outgrow their distaste for vegetables. Starting a healthier lifestyle is harder for some, especially those who are not fond of eating fresh produce. So the big question is, can you still eat healthy even if you don't like vegetables? Sure you can. Today, I'm happy to share with you these simple tips on how to begin a healthier lifestyle through eating, particularly how to incorporate more fruits and vegetables to your diet even if you don't like them. Number 1. Eat more of the vegetables you already like. There's so much more to vegetables than just mushy green beans or bitter-tasting leafy greens. There's a whole lot of variety of tastes and textures that you're bound to find some that you'll surely like. Start with the ones that you can tolerate. The simple act of swapping French fries to a side of baked potato or by adding a couple of slices of tomatoes to your burger can go a long way. Number 2. Experiment with cooking. One of the biggest reasons why some people aren't fond of produce is because of the texture. Nobody likes boiled, mushy vegetables after all. Experiment with different cooking methods until you find a texture that you can tolerate. Try steaming, oven roasting, stir-frying, or grilling your veggies. Fortunately, vegetables are quite versatile. You can easily add them to soups, salads, sandwiches, and even baked goods without you noticing them. Number 3. Play with flavors. Like I said, vegetables are very versatile. You can easily mask or improve their taste by adding your favorite herbs and spices. Using a sprinkle of kosher salt or adding a slick of butter to your skillet can make a vegetable dish more appetizing and you're likely to eat more. Healthy eating doesn't have to be bland. Experiment with a variety of seasonings, sauces, and mixtures. Number 4. Try juicing. If you don't want to eat your vegetables, try drinking them. Juicing is an excellent way to consume fresh produce the easy way. If you want to mask the taste of your green juice, try adding fruits or spices. Add apples or beets for sweetness, citrus fruits like lemon, limes, or grapefruit to brighten up the flavor, or even ginger or cayenne powder if you like a spicy kick. And number 5. Focus on healthy non-vegetable foods. I get it. It takes some time to fall in love with eating lots of vegetables, especially if you don't like them in the first place. In the meantime, focus on other healthy food choices like fruits, nuts, seeds, legumes, whole grains, fish and shellfish, eggs, and lean meat, among others. Avoid consuming highly processed foods too.